Hey y'all, Sam here, and let's unbox Sephora Play for January. Ooh, inside this month we have a beauty horoscope. So let's see what my horoscope is. I am a Scorpio, so let's see what it says for me. Scorpios are calculated and tactical, always thinking 3 steps ahead. Bring that strategic nature into your makeup routine and use products like long wear foundations, lipsticks that will never let you down. Okay, so that's not really a horoscope. To me, that's a makeup suggestion, but hey, I do like long wearing foundations, and liquid lipsticks are my favorite. I really like how normal lipstick feels on my lips better, but I touch my face all the time. So like today I'm wearing a normal lipstick and I've already gotten makeup, like, you know, lipstick smeared around my mouth more than once, but you know, I'm just a hot mess. Here is our bag. What do you guys think about these new recyclable bags? I mean, I think it's great that you can recycle them, but I like the old bags better. I actually used a lot of mine and I donate them. I'm part of a charity group called Girly Bags, and what we do is we take our Ipsy bags and Sephora Play bags and we fill them up with different kinds of pads, panty liners, sanitary wipes, and, you know, chocolate, chapsticks, just different things that young girls in need need. You know, there's a lot of poor kids that parents barely can feed them, and so we do this to make sure that they have the feminine products that they need, and we deliver them to like all the schools in our entire area. We've also expanded out to a couple other states. So yeah, so if you are out there and you have like a whole bunch of little bags piled up from Ipsy or Sephora Play that you are wanting to get rid of, DM me and I will give you our church's address so you can send them to, because we can certainly use them to help young women. All right, anyway, back to the unboxing now that I went on that rant. This is called and that's what I'm thinking right now. This is called Beauty Starts From Within. This is a deluxe 3-day sample of a daily cleanse. So it's a dietary supplement. Interesting. I've never received a dietary detox supplement before. I will do some research on this before I just decide to take this. Shampoo and conditioner. Do I need to say any more? Next, we have an Origins product. Origins is a very good skincare product, so I am excited about this. This is called Clear Improvement, and it's an activated charcoal. It doesn't have a seal on it, so this is what it looks like. It looks like a charcoal sheet mask. Let's go ahead and just rub it all over my makeup swatches. Yeah, because I'm filming like 4 videos today. I haven't filmed anything in quite a while, so figured why I got the camera out, might as well do them all. Yeah, so that's what that looks like, and now I need a makeup wipe because I just made a mess. Next item we have here is a Smashbox Photo Finish Water Primer Set Refresh Spray. Girl, I use so much setting spray. This is gonna last maybe 2 days. But let's give her a go. Whew. I kind of like the herbally kind of scent it has to it. It's a very mild scent. And the mister on this little sample is surprisingly good because I didn't get any giant like clumps. Yeah, so this I'm kind of excited about. I wish they would have gave us more like a travel size sample versus this one, but yeah, no. It is what it is. Ooh, now this I like. This looks to be a full size or close to full size sample, and this is by Bite Beauty. Let's twist her up and see how much is in here. she's still going. Okay, so that is how much lipstick is in there. That I'm not complaining about. That's a pretty good sample for me. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Oh, y'all, this like goes on super smooth and silky. This is in the color Glace. Well, I really like this. Dang. Honestly, y'all, I'm pretty impressed so far, minus the shampoo. But it looks like the shampoo is free. Like, it looks like the shampoo and conditioner was an extra bonus product. I used to like it better when they gave us a perfume sample versus shampoo and conditioners. But I know other people that love the shampoo and conditioners that are like, yay, yay, my guest bathroom, because that's where they all go. But I'm not having to guess, so that pile of shampoo is getting pretty big. All right, next we have a sleep mask by LANEIGE. I don't know how to say that. Here is what the container looks like. It is a small sample. As you can see, the little puck inside is even smaller than the container looks. But it is a sleep mask. You don't need that much of it. It doesn't really seem to have any scent to it. Let's go ahead and feel a little bit of it. Oh, wow. That feels really nice. Yeah, this seems to be completely odorless. I don't smell anything from it. It does feel like it's super moisturizing. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Yes, yes, girl. I'm all about some moisturizer. So I'm excited about this. So we got a moisturizer, a sheet mask. So we got this moisturizer. We got the clay mask. We got the Bite Beauty lipstick. This is the best thing in the box, in my opinion. We got the set and spray, some supplements, and the shampoo that I threw on the floor. Overall, for $10, I'm very pleased with this month's bag. I will definitely use all three of these. This thing will probably be gone by like tomorrow. Well, that was the January Sephora Play Box that I received. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you got something different, and I will see you guys soon, maybe. Depends on how lazy I am. All right, bye, y'all.